Hi, this is Andy with PRINTgenie, a product of Go Big Printing. I wanted to show you, here I have 3 postcards that I've already built. Pretty simple ones, but now I want to create a 4th. So I create a name, I put it in a category, I pick the product that I want, and now I'm editing the backside. It's really super easy. All you do is click the font you want, type in what you want, add the variables what you want. Variables are things like mail merge tags, like I want to buy your house at 123 Main Street, where my name is. That's what a variable is. So I put it in place, I change the font, I can change the leading, that's the spacing between the lines, make it a different color, put it in position. Now I'm going to add some more text, choose a different font, left justify it, add some more mail merge tags like I want to buy your house in, a certain city. And then I'll put, instead of my phone number, I'll put in a tag for my phone number so it pulls from my profile. That way if I want to change it, I just change my profile and I don't have to change every single template. So I position it and make it look good, get the font right, maybe put a line or a handwritten line underneath my phone number, make it stand out. And I can change the layer of that as well. Put that red line behind the black text and adjust it. There, I made the backside. It's pretty simple. Now for the front, you have a title text. I can use our title text, or oftentimes I just like to pick a nice clean font and make it, center justified. I can use our tools to do that, or just position it manually. Make it big, make it red. Now I'm going to add some, some content for this front postcard. It's easier to pre-write it, and then you just copy and paste it in. So that's what I'm doing here. So in this case, what I'm doing is I'm once again going to say hi, owner first name. My name is I'd like to buy your house at, and I put in the property city and the property state. It's up to you. I mean, the property street is probably just fine. And I'm going to say, please call me at my number. And I'm going to put, instead of my name, I actually put a tag called my first name, and it'll pull from my profile just like before in case you want to change your name. And you finish it up by adjusting the size, the width, the height. It's pretty easy. Adjust the color, and you save it. And that's it. I just made a 4th postcard out of 6. Once I'm happy with it, I can add it to a campaign, and now I have a campaign with email, text, and direct mail that goes out at an interval. That's it with PRINTgenie.